Hi family, today we are going to be putting together a very potent, very strong but effective Ayurvedic herbs. Let me just show you guys first. We are going to make our tea. I'm going to be using nettle leaf, and I'm only going to be using 1 spoon of this. And then we're going to be going in with our coffee powder. Now for the past 7 months I haven't used Ayurvedic herb on my hair. I've been just making it in tea, which is very easy, but I decided to go in with a full-blown mask, to just help my hair, and my scalp is itching because I straightened my hair 2 weeks and a half ago and I haven't washed my hair, so I need this treatment to help me with that. And apart from that, I miss my Ayurvedic herb. I miss how it feels on my hair, so I'm going in with 2 spoons of our coffee powder. And then the next ingredient, we're going to go in with our bulldog root. And then I'm only going to be using half spoon of this because bulldog root is very strong. You don't need a lot. After that, I'm going to give it a good mix. This will be our mixture that we'll use in our treatment. I'm going to transfer it into our pot. And then I got 4 cups of water here. This is what we'll be using for our tea. And then I'm just gonna go and put this on the stove, let it get hot, and then we'll leave it for like an hour, let it further infuse, and then we'll start to use it to mix our treatment. The moment it starts boiling, it's okay. I'm just going to now turn the stove off and then just let it to simmer. After that, we'll strain it and start to use it. Okay, so we are going to start mixing our mix together. I'm using my organic amla berry powder, and this is how it looks. Again, I'm just going to eyeball this according to how thick my hair is. I'm gonna go in with two of this spoon, and we are now going in with our neem leaf powder. This is very great for the scalp. If you have any itching, burning scalp, neem oil and neem powder is good for that. So I'm going in with 2 spoons of that too. I'm now going in with our henna powder. You guys know henna is also, this type of henna I'm using is a strengthening henna. It also helps to, if you have like breaks and holes into your hair, it helps to patch that together, act like a glue. So I'm going in with 2 spoons of that. I'm adding in our brahmin powder. Just gonna go in with 1 spoon of that. Fenugreek, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. So I'm just going in with 1 teaspoon. Because this really expand in water once we start adding in our mixture. So I'm just going to mix all of our powder together. Just gonna start adding in our mixture. And then I'm gonna go and use my hand blender because I don't have time to sit down and keep mixing for a lot of minutes. I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of our caffeine oil. You want to shake it good. You need to make sure you shake it good, put all the ingredients together. Let's put 2 tablespoons of that in there. So we're also going in with 1 tablespoon of our secret growth oil. Give it a good shake. And then we're just gonna mix that all together. Or you want to go in with 1 more spoon? Okay, that's fine. So 2 spoons of our secret oil too. I'm now coming to apply our treatment on our hair. This is my hair. It has been straight for 18 days now, so My scalp is itchy. Our treatment is a little bit runny, but it's fine because I need it to rinse out easily. And it's cold out, so I put things around. Well, sure, you don't care about towel, you don't care about. Just going to part my hair in 4 sections. And then we can start applying our treatment. Okay, family, I'm done putting my hair in sections. It's early morning, so don't judge me. I got poofy face. But, oh, this is how my hair is looking. I could still go with it for another week, but my scalp is itching. I don't know why. We didn't use my products at the salon. We use salon product, or maybe it's just because I'm becoming a straight and natural. That's one thing I saw that people said. They get a lot of dry scalp, so that's part of it. So I'm just going to work in sections. Oh, it's taking long for it to revert. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Oh, this is running. If you don't want this to be messy, do not make it runny.
Well, how would you thicken it?
Just put less liquid. Now you're gonna make me cut that part out. Man, you fired.
You see?
This hair is not reverting. Let me put enough on this.
Is it cold?
No, I left it at room temperature. Oh, you're coming out.
Oh, you look like Princess Leia. Or Shrek. Yeah, you in the mud. You Shrek.
Get away. So I took this section there. I'm done applying it on my head. Took this section there. It's starting to revert. And I use almost everything. Got only very little left, so I'm just gonna go through it. Put it on my hair because I cannot do anything with that little that is left. So put it on. Oh, but my scalp feels so great right now. The itching all stopped. So yes, this treatment was well worth it. So I'm just gonna go leave it on for like an hour or 2. I will also sit on my stain cap. Oops, I nearly got this in my eye. That would have been very bad. I'm gonna go sit on my stain cap, and then after that I will go in and continue my wash day routine, shampoo my hair, deep condition my hair, and blow dry my hair. This treatment on all day while running around the house doing things. So I just rinse it out and I shampoo my hair. This is how my hair is looking. I'm now gonna go in and condition my hair, and then I'm also going to be adding in extra moisture. So I'm gonna go in with my deep condition treatment for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna skip blow dry because my hair I needed to bounce back before I go for my next straightening routine. This section is okay. It's my back section that I have a problem with. We got a little bit of heat damage again. That's how my back is looking. Can you imagine from how kinky and cordy my hair is? But I'm going to use our strengthening treatment this week, and then I will also use it again next week. That will be the time for me to go back and get my hair straightened. So I'm not going to blow dry my hair this week. I'm just going to wash my hair once a week, and just, you know, do my normal bond. But by that time it will be strong enough for me to put extra heat on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.